overlap and relay. I double back and replay. It's not a game, no EA. I'm global trapping eBay. I make it look so easy. You'll never touch a cement. I double profits each way. Relay.
Alright, so Pittsburgh Motorcycle Live unboxing. So it comes semi-assembled. You got the, looks like the entire bottom half is intact. And I have to install the handle. This looks like the, I think this is the locking bar. I briefly looked at the instructions. And we got some hardware. So let me get it out of the box and we'll see what we're talking about. Alright guys, so super easy install. You get a couple of separate pieces. You get your locking bar right here. You get the actual handle. So this is just to move. I honestly thought that you crank it with this, but it's actually a push press crank. So the more you push that, the more the bike actually lifts up. And then you got your second pedal here, which is the release. So you'll notice it goes down. Boom. You got your locking positions. So 3 locking positions here. As you pump it up, the locking position will actually engage. So that would be the first. And to make sure it's secure, you want to release a little bit. Boom. It's locked under that metal bracket. Make sure that both sides go. So you can see on the other side. Boom. There you go. But you get the locking bar. You get the actual hydraulic right here. You get the foot pedal in a separate one. Easy install on that. Just plug it into here, pop out the Phillips head, crank it down to lock it into place. 2 pieces of hardware are going to be inside the actual flare jack. So you just take those out, put your hydraulic pump on there, lock those in with a, I use my Allen keys set. And then these come separate as well. These are honestly just some twisting knobs that actually lock the jack into position so that your bike's not moving around. Honestly, I think if I'm gonna keep working on bikes, I might just pick a specific position that I'll put them in, and then actually get some concrete anchors so that I can put some straps in the ground and crank the bike down while it's on the jack, so that I don't have to worry about any moving while I'm wrenching on the bike. But super easy install, guys, and it honestly looks pretty cool. I think so the maneuverability, obviously the front wheels are going to be literally just the straight wheels, so you'll push forward from there, and then you use your angles from the back. So it's pretty easy to maneuver around if you're not hitting rocks and stuff or hardware. Pretty nice little jack though. Hit your release. Oh, once it's actually locked into a position, you have to pull the locking bar up. But you're gonna depress the foot press, pull the locking bar up, push the locking bar back, and that'll pop this up, lock it down, let go of the foot press, Push the second pedal, lets the jack down slowly. Super, super easy install. Like I said, like $100 at Harbor Freight. Thank you again, Shiggies. I'll finally put this bad boy to use. So I saw a couple reviews that this floor jack wasn't low enough, but the Iron 883s are pretty low, but it seems to fit under there pretty perfectly. So before I put my foot in my mouth, let's see how this goes. I am going to tilt it straight. Give it a couple pumps. Let's see. So it looks like it's tilting backwards, but let's see. Okay, so I'll put those down. I'm gonna lower it a little bit. Boom. Till it locks into position on both sides. And she's off the ground. I'm not gonna jack it up too high because honestly I don't need to. But man, it works pretty motherfucking good.
It's not a game, it's a rich game.